What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Detective Pikachu from Pokemon. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the eyelid. We're going to leave a large gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side and draw a straight angled line going up and then out toward the end. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing. Draw that same length line. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath. On the left side I'm going to step in, draw a circle going around. I'm just going to tuck this up underneath the eyelid so we have a little overlap on the inside, and we'll do the exact same thing on the right. Let's go to the top of each eye, draw a smaller circle just tucked in underneath for a highlight, and we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now let's go to the bottom of the eyes. We're going to move to the center. We're going to draw a small oval for the nose and fill that in black. And we want to shift the mouth up towards the right. So we start down here on the left side, curve this across, pull this up a little bit higher on the right, and then add a bracket. Let's go out to the side and draw on the cheeks. From the outside left eye, we step out, curve this around, come down, and then bend that in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Line this up, going around the cheek, down, and then in. Now let's draw on the cheeks. Starting on the left side, I'm going to draw an oval. I'm going to go up, come down, just tuck that in towards the side. Let's go back to the top of the cheeks. I'm going to curve the head. We're going to go up, and then bend that in towards the hat. Let's close up the top with a curve, going down, and then up. Let's go back over toward the left side and draw the top of the hat. We're going to draw a half circle going up, across, and then down. Then we're going to add a seam from the top center, bend this out and then down toward the left, and then the right side. Along the top of the hat, we're going to add the knot. We're going to start with the left side. We'll go up, around, and then in. Same thing on the right. Now let's trace this along the inside. Let's bring the brim of the hat across the forehead. Start on the left, bend this down, and then in. Do the same thing on the right. Now I want to push this up in the middle, slightly going up and then back down. Now we're going to move to the side of the hat and draw on the ears. Let's start with the one on the left. Bend this up, then out towards the top. Let's do the same thing on the right. Just going to round out the tip, come down, and then bend that back in towards the head. We're going to separate the tip of the ears with a curve, starting from the top, bend this out and then down. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the tips of the ears. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. From the cheek, we're going to step down, just leaving a gap underneath the head. We're going to bend this down and out towards the hip, round up the leg, and then bend that in. Let's take that shape and flip it over on the right. So we're just going to line this up underneath the cheek, coming down and out, round up the leg, and then bend that in. Let's close off the bottom. Just going to pull this up in the middle, and then back down towards the right. Now I want to tuck the feet in underneath the body, starting on the left side, bend this down and then out. Let's round up the foot and then bend that in underneath. Now I'm going to separate the toes with two curves from the end. Now we're going to draw the left arm holding the magnifying glass, starting underneath the cheek. We're going to bend the arm going out and then down. Let's step down, we're going to draw the thumb going out and then back in. Let's layer the handle in behind. We're going to step down towards the thumb, go up at an angle, flatten this off, come all the way down towards the bottom, flatten this off, and just tuck this up underneath the thumb. Now on the outside, we're going to add 4 pointed fingers. Just going to line up the top of the arm. Just going to add 1, 2, 3, and then 4 fingers. You're going to continue that in towards the side of the body. Now we're going to leave a gap above the handle. We're going to draw a large circle, going all the way around, come down, and then back in. Let's connect that circle to the handle with 2 lines. Let's trace a circle along the inside. Let's go all the way over towards the right side. We're going to draw the arm on the hip, starting underneath the cheek, bend this out towards the elbow, around at the elbow, and then pull that in. Now we're going to go halfway up and add a fold across the forearm. Now we want to add the tail over on the right side, just underneath the arm. We're going to go out, angle this up and in, go out, go up and in, and bend the tail going across towards the end. I'm just going to trace this along the top. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Detective Pikachu from Pokemon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today. Stay creative, and I'll see you in the next one.